Good run for him. And the time of 66.778, 66.778 for Brent Ballou. Brent is going to come in, it looks like second spot behind Daniel Vang. But I'll tell you what, Brent really driving the wheels off that car. Got one more driver out there, Ed Bender. And we'll see how Ed Bender does. But here comes Lou Savino. And Lou Savino, his quickest run today is 65.393, 65.395. 393 rather. It's going to leave him in third spot in the class, but should be a good run. That's a nice run for Lee. He's going to be one out of Lou rather, and he's going to be one out of the trophy. Daryl Halo taking second spot. And Brian Anthony on his final run, he found some more tenths. He found another 3/10 of a second. 64.101, 64.101 in the Cobalt. So I'm going to you right now, Brian Anthony on top, Dick Robinson in second, and Justin Gates one out of the trophy in third spot. That's his quickest time by almost 2 seconds, so he definitely saved us. The best till last, Ed Bender coming in the Volvo on Bridgestone tires.